I'm going to show you how you can easily convert BNB to USDT on Binance step by step. The first thing you need to do is launch your Binance mobile application and log into your account. Once you're successfully logged in, tap on the Binance icon located at the top left-hand corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to a new page where you need to tap on More Services. Now, if you scroll down a little bit under the Trade section, you will see an option called Convert. Go ahead and tap on Convert to move forward. Here, you'll first need to select BNB in the From section. To do this, tap on the little drop-down arrow, type BNB in the search bar, and then select it. After that, in the To section, you'll need to select USDT, so again, tap the drop-down arrow, type USDT, and select it. Now, simply enter the amount of BNB that you want to convert. For example, if you want to convert 100 BNB into USDT, just enter that amount. Once you've entered the correct amount, tap on Preview Conversion at the bottom of your screen. Here, Binance will show you the full details of your conversion, including the amount of BNB you're converting, the amount of USDT you'll receive, and other transaction details. After reviewing everything carefully, tap on the Convert button at the bottom to complete the process. And that's it. This is how you can easily convert your BNB into USDT using the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful crypto tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.